Iaho, Kadochikok, ku deporte.
Merca su team para Ryder Cup, aqui da lá. Capitão Tom Watson na 3 wildcard na Hunter Mahan, Keegan Bradley e Webb Simpson. Tu 3 têm experiência de Ryder Cup já com a hunga do ano passado. De 40 edição de Ryder Cup, está tomando lugar for de 26 de 28 de setembro na Escócia. Riba papel, tem de Europa, está favorito já com Rory McIlroy, Henrik Stenson, Sergio Garcia e Justin Rose, número 1, 3, 4 e 5, riba a lista mundial de golfer. E fim de semana que tem torneio de beach tennis internacional que está começando a West na Tropicana e a final está guardando na Electric Festival começando para 4 da tarde. Grupo grande de jogadores de beach tennis, tanto feminino como masculino, assim que explicação que o senhor Lopes de Venezuela estava dando arriba nutrição. Boa nutrição é importante para esse deporte.
He's actually from Venezuela and he's like a boot camp trainer. And for me, beach tennis, the part is really important that your nutrition is good, but also your physique. So it's a combination today. We talk a little bit about the nutrition, how to eat good, eat right to make the performance right. And we have a boot camp, so physical exercises. So it's the first time in Aruba, so I'm happy that he's here. So, yes.
It's a lot of interest.
Yes.
That's a good part.
No, of course. I think it's really important for the people that they eat right. You know, it's the most important part of when you are doing sport. So I think we can learn a lot from him, for sure.
You was in Italy. Tell me how you went in Italy.
I went to Italy because there was the World Championship of beach tennis, and I went with my partner Betsa. We played the World Championship there. I was 6 weeks there. 1 week I was playing the World Championship, and 5 weeks I was training there, preparing for that. So it went well. The level is very high, and we had the unlucky draw that we have to play the #1 seeded of the world. But yeah, for me the experience is very good. When I come back, I'm ready to train again, and we are ready for next week for the G2. This weekend is a big tournament here with Electric Festival. So
there's a lot of players coming from Spain, Venezuela, Italy for this tournament.
It's an international tournament, a G2, so you can have some prize money and some points. So yeah, the international players are coming, like Italy, Spain, Venezuela, Brazil. So yes, it's going to be a battle.
So it's getting interest every time more interest for tournaments on the island, no?
Yes, for sure. I think Aruba is perfect to play beach tennis because we are all year round. We can play with the good weather. We have now this big club with 16 courts. Beach Tennis Aruba is doing a really good job with the international tournament in November. It's for the 3rd year. It's the best tournament of the world. So, and now this one is a little bit smaller, but yeah, it's a G2, so you can have points and money, so it's very good.